Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadaf Naseem and I am maths teacher of level 5. Well, my dear student, this is my 8th lesson about unit number 3. In the previous lesson, we have learned about HCF and LCM, the unit number 2. In HCF and LCM, the related topic was LCM, and in which we have to find the LCM by two methods, that is prime factorization method and division method. Now today's our topic is unit number 3, fraction. Now see what is fraction. Fraction of a whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. It means when you divide a figure or quantity into equal part, each part is called fraction. Now see, there are some parts of fraction over here. This form is called fraction form, 3 by 5. The upper one figure is called numerator and the down one is called denominator. It makes fraction by the help of byline. For example, over here there is an example fraction equal part of a whole. Here you have two figures, one is circle and one is square. Each figure is going to divide into equal parts, 1 2 3 4 parts, and square having total parts 4. Total number of parts over here as a denominator, and the shaded parts comes in numerator 1. So the fraction of these two figure 1 by 4. Let's come to the next one. Let's recall our types of fraction. That is fraction, proper fraction, when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. It means that whenever you have a smaller number in numerator as compared to the denominator, this is called proper fraction. 2 by 5, 3 by 11. So the next one is improper fraction. The numerator is equal to or larger than the denominator. Whenever you have a 1 in numerator and a greater number in numerator and a smaller number in denominator, it makes improper fraction. 7 by 5, 3 by 2, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So come to the next one, mixed fraction, a quantity expressed as a whole number and a proper fraction. It means whenever you have a whole number with a proper fraction. This is 1 whole, 1 by 2, 3 whole, 3 by 8 is called mixed fraction. So come to the next one slide, that is topic. Today's our topic is addition and subtraction of the number. Now I am giving to a key point, that is use LCM method to make the denominator same or like for addition and subtraction. You must have a same or like denominator in the fraction, then the addition and subtraction will be possible. So what is like fraction and unlike fraction? Let's see. There are three fraction over here, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. In these three numbers having 4, 4, 4, denominators are same. Unlike fraction, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Let's see what is unlike, 3 by 4. In these three fraction having change denominator, different denominators. So these fractions are called unlike fraction. First you change the fraction into like form, then you are able to do the subtraction and addition. So come to the exercise. I am going to apply my key point in the solving sum, that is question number 1, exercise 3.1, page number 46. I am going to solve question number 1, part number 1 for you people. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. The very first question, first you write down solution. Always start with equal to sign and write the question as it is. As you know, the key point, find the LCM of denominators. So the denominators are 3 and 6. Over here 3 and 6. 2 3 times 3 is not divisible by 2. So 3 as it is. 2 3 times 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So 3 2 times 6. 6 is your LCM. So my dear student, you have to write the very first fraction in this step 2 by 3 with the multiply sign. Now check out that 6 is present in the table of first fraction denominator. Yes, 3 is the denominator. In the table of 3 you find 6. 3 2 times 6. 2 will multiply with 3, the numerator and denominator as well. So then put the sign of addition of question. 1 by 6, write the next fraction. Check the LCM in the denominator. 6 1 times 6. 1 will multiply with numerator as well as with denominator. Now I am going to multiply 2 with 2. 3 by 2. 3 multiply with 2. 1 by multiply with 1. 6 multiply with 1. So I will get 4 by 6 by multiplying 2 2s are 4. Then 1 1s are 1, and now the denominators are same, 6 and 6. Now the addition is possible. Like fraction, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 by 6 is your answer. Let's start another question, that is 3.1, page number 46. Question number 2. I am going to solve subtraction sum now. Part number 1, 5 by 8 subtract 1 by 2. Solution, equal to sign. I will start with the equal to sign. Write the question as it is in very first step. Then check out the denominators, that is 8 and 2. I am going to find the LCM of 8 and 2. To 4 times 8, to 1 are 2, to 2 are 4, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is. So multiply the prime numbers. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, it will equal to 8. So now write the first fraction, 5 by 8. Check LCM in the very first fraction denominator. In the table of 8, 8 is present. Yes, 8 is present. 8 1 times 8. 1 multiply with denominator as well as with numerator. So put the sign of subtraction. Then 1 by 2, the next fraction of the question. Then multiply. Check out that in the table of 2, where you find 8. To 4 times 8. 4 will multiply with denominator as well as with numerator. So this is called multiplication of the numbers. 5 1s are 5. 8 1 times 8. 1 4s are 4. 2 4 times 8. Now the denominators are same. 5 by 8, subtraction sign. 4 by 8. Now the denominators are same. Subtraction is possible. 5 subtract 4, you will get 1 by 8. This is the answer of your subtraction sum. You have to apply all these points in solving the sum for your homework time. Now my dear student, what you have to do? You have to do the homework. Read your page. Write exercise 3.1, page number 46, and do question number 1, part number 2, 3 and 4. 1 is done in your slides. Do question number 1. Do question number 1, part number 2, 3, 4. Subtraction question, related to subtraction question, that is. So and one thing else, all do the all question of subtraction and addition in your rough copy. Do the practice of addition and subtraction and follow the key point. Then what you have to learn the tables of 9, 10 and 11. Okay boys, and one thing else, do the question number 2, part number 2, 3, 4 as well. Okay, now my dear student, time to say goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.